Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. So you can tell by the title, today I'm doing a very different video that I've ever done on my channel before, and I'm showing you guys how I did this very super simple natural looking hairstyle using the Curls Queen clip-in extension, and I'm absolutely loving this hair. Now this is the 18 inches light yaki hair, and it came in like 180 grams. Now all I just did was just clip them in, and then I didn't even straighten it that much, just my natural hair at the front so it can blend in, and I'm loving it so far. Those of you who know, probably based on checking out my channel from the past, hair, when it comes to styling hair, hairstyles and stuff like that, it's not really my strength. I always leave that to like the hairdresser or the hairstylist. I usually wear a half wig or sometimes a full wig, or I just have it in a pony. I like super simple hairstyles. But this one I'm loving the most because it's so natural looking. And if you're like me, especially when hair or styling your hair is not like the strongest point, then this is the best option for you. It is so natural looking, and you guys are going to see, like in the video, my natural hair has broken, so it's quite short. So it's the fact that it's actually able to blend quite seamlessly is absolutely amazing. So yes, this is the light yaki in 18 inches. I'm going to leave all the details down below so you guys can check it out. One of the things I do like about Curls Queen is that they do have different hair types for the different textures of hair. Now my hair is relaxed, so I went for the light yaki in 14 inches. They also recommended this as well. So they have different textures for different hair type, like 4C, 4A, 4B. I hope I'm getting that correct. But yes, see my loves, if you want to see how I get this, then keep watching. So here is my Curls Queen hair. It came with this cute silk bag, and I'm just going to do an unpackaging or unboxing for you guys. So the hair came in with a few extra goodies, such as these cute little satin rollers, and it also came with an instruction manual, just so it can give me inspiration ideas and different styles I could basically do with these rollers. They're really, really cute, so I can't wait to use them. And now I'm going to show you guys a bit more about the hair. So the hair is 18 inches. It is light yaki, and it is in a body wave, and it came in 180 grams, and I really like the texture. I love the smell, and at first I was like, wow, is this going to fit my whole head? But when I did everything, I realized that there was actually a lot of wefts in there. It also comes with an instruction manual, including a return options form, so you can return the hair or exchange it if you're not happy with it, along with information about the hair as well, such as how to care for it and how to take care of the hair. And lastly, it comes with additional clip-ins and a needle and thread. Okay my love, so here I am. I've just washed my hair, conditioned it, and also applied a bit of moisturizer, or should I say serum, and I'm just going to give it a good comb, blow dry it as I usually do. And as I mentioned, my hair has broken a little bit, so I'm trying to do more protective styles for it, and just to help it like grow back. And I never mentioned it before, but my mum actually does my hair, and when my hair and her hands, they're in the best hands, honestly. But here I am, I'm just starting off sectioning my hair. The good thing about these clip-in extensions is that you don't need to like cane row the hair. All you could just do is just part it and just basically clip them on. It is so simple. And I'm going to show you guys, but each weft comes in different sizes. And so for example, the back one, it comes with like 4 to 5 clips, so it can hold a bit more around the perimeter of the head. And as you go up, it either shortens or lengthens. So I basically place each clip-in in different sections, from the back to the middle and to the front, and I'm going to show you guys that now. So here I'm just clipping in each hair, and like I mentioned, one of the things I really like about these clip-ins is that, you know, the clips are very secure. I was a bit worried that it might slip off, but it was grabbing quite well to the root of my hair. So one of the things I did as well was straighten my natural hair, just so it can blend in seamlessly. And you guys can see it here, how well it's blending in into the extensions. And as I mentioned, my hair is relaxed, so it just works really well with the light yaki hair. So here I am placing it securely. guys can tell, my natural hair is brown. I usually dye it jet black, and it's kind of showing in this, but I think over time when I put a bit more serum it's going to blend in, but it just reminds me that I need to give it a good dye, so I'm probably going to dye it jet black. But I'm liking how well like the textures blend in very well together. And so now I'm going to apply a bit of gel. So I'm using the Eco Gel with black castor oil, and I really like this gel because it really slicks my edges down. Now I'm just going to take a satin or silk scarf, and I'm just going to tie it just so my edges and the top part of the hair can lay down. And I'm going to get started with my makeup. So today I'm going for lunch with my friends, and so yeah, I'm just going to do my makeup. If you guys want a full makeup tutorial of this look, do let me know, and I think I'll post a full video. Yes, here's my hair. It's all laid out. It's looking nice and slick. So I'm just going to comb it out ever so lightly. And yeah, I'm just going to style it, and then we are good to go. And yes, so far I am loving it, and I feel like it's worth every penny. But yes, I actually like that this blends in so well. The only difference is that my natural hair is brown, and so I tend to dye it jet black. So you can see here it is getting slightly lighter, but aside from that, it's fine. I'm absolutely loving this hair, and it is very thick. It's very full body, so you guys are going to see, you know, like sometimes some hairs, they like thin out right towards the end, but this one keeps its density and its texture and depth all the way through. It is super, super natural, and I think I'm just going to rock it. See, I can also hold it up in a pony if I wanted to, and yes, you can rock it like really high up, especially if you have like a lot of back hair. I have a habit of playing with the back of my hair, so that's not gonna happen. But yes, either way, I can hold it up, I can do different things with it, and yeah, just having fun with the hair. Ow. So yes, this one, so yeah, this is the different types of hairstyles. I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see. So yeah, I love me some light yaki hair. So yes, I'm also going to have an updated video in the next 2 weeks or so. I'm probably going to do a different style, but I'm going to curl it. I probably will even add layers to it because I really like the texture. I want to go for like a full-on like layered hair, so I'm going to do that for you in like an upcoming vlog and give you guys an update on the hair. But so far, loving it. So my loves, that is all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I don't know how good I will get in terms of hairstyling and stuff like that, but I do hope to improve. But yes, my loves, thank you again, and thank you to Curl Screen for sponsoring this video. Absolutely loving the hair. So yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.